Hi you guys, I am about to go to work, but before I do, I wanted to show you guys just a bit of how we're settling in. And now that it's been like 1 or 2 weeks, pues ahí va. It's going, you know. And I also wanted to thank all of you for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. I've had fun moving, but moving is really hard and I'm sure you guys understand. Let me show you guys around and that way you guys can get a feel for it because, spoiler alert, my next video is gonna be us furnishing the spaces in this house with affordable furniture that is very good quality but also affordable. Like, affordable, okay? We are not rich, we are not super wealthy, but we are very blessed. So just look out for that because this next upcoming weekend, we're gonna be shopping for the furniture that we can furnish this house with and finally make it a home. So I'm so excited for you guys to see the upgrades in this house because I feel like we're gonna make it such a good looking home. Honestly, I'm so excited. We're gonna paint, so show you some paint tricks, you know, cause painting, I'm not super excited for that, okay? Anyway, without further ado, I'm gonna start with my kitchen. That turned out so good. So painting it white was a super good idea. It really opened up the place. It kind of meshed just the kitchen and dining area together and it looks so much better because I hated the dark brown. It just was not really opening up the place. I just felt like it was closed. Like it was just so tight. Beautiful. I love the way that it looks. Turned out beautiful. We had it professionally painted. This is the dining area. One of the main places that we're gonna be furnishing very soon. Living room area. It's coming together. The rug will be coming very soon. We also painted this area. So I'm loving the gray. So modern. Love the gray, you guys. The gray really just brought this like as my zen room. I'm loving it. It's perfect. I love our mint green bed set. Can't really see how green it is in this camera I'm seeing. Maybe if I switch places. It's greener than it looks on camera. These were beautiful. They are from World Market. A little pricey, but sign up for emails and you get 15% off. Bathroom that has a lot of remodeling to do. Lots. This is just a half bath. This is the study. So for now, we just have this mirror in here and our desk that we have always had from IKEA. Beautiful little desk. Love our rug as well from IKEA. That is also a place that we're really looking forward to remodeling and painting. I'm heading upstairs. Let's go upstairs. This is my boyfriend's room, which he's gonna turn into a game streaming room with all his shoes. Yay, they will not be in the closet anymore. He's been asking me to edit my videos up here, so it's my little tiny editing area. This is the ginormous game room that we have. We already ordered our couch from Rooms to Go, so I'm so excited for you guys to see that too. This TV, quick story time. We went to Best Buy, we knew we were gonna get a TV. Okay, so my boyfriend set on 75 inches. Like, okay, that's fine. Big box. It did not fit in my car. We had to take it completely out of the box for it to fit in my car. When someone saw us struggling, they were like, where do you guys live? We'll take it for you. And we were like, what? Like, are you gonna steal our TV? And we don't know you. So we were like, no, it's cool, dude. Like, we'll try to take it. Anyway, this is gonna be my room. I'm so excited to get this ready because I'm gonna be doing all of my videos in here. Well, not all of them because you know I like to vlog, but some of them. And now I'll have like my own enclosed space. And I'm just so happy for that. So, this is the only things I have in here. So yes, I'm gonna be getting some shelves. What? I'm recording. What? Love you, I'll call you back. Guys, that scared me. We have Amazon Alexas all over the house, and you can call. Well, you don't call, but you drop in on one, and it'll open up the camera and the, the voice. He can do it from his phone. So when I don't answer, that's what he goes to. So I feel very blessed. I am excited to make this our home, excited to get the new pieces in here, and I'm excited to show you guys. I feel like I could help some of you just find affordable pieces and how to decor and everything. Okay, Emma.
Hey,
Okay, bye. But yeah, you guys, I'm sweating now, so. Thank you guys again. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to hit the like button. Make sure to comment. Tell me where to find some good deals. Tell me how I can decor a white kitchen. Anything, guys, it helps. I love it. I love to communicate with you guys. Thank you so much again, and I will see y'all soon.